Hey, Myth Mamas. Hey guys, welcome back. Y'all just could clap me right then and there because my wig cap was showing just now. But that's besides the point. The point being is that this is today's makeup tutorial. Yeah, people in my house looking at me like, where are you going? I'm like, I'm going to Instagram, girl. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, I always begin with Blistex because my lips be crusty and dusty whenever I start my makeup for some reason. It's like my body hates me. And I'm going to go in with my Maybelline primer. And this stuff slaps. Y'all need to go cop. It's $7. It minimizes your pores. You'll look like a baby Beyonce after. Now this is me seeing how ugly I look, but I'm gonna comb through my brows and prepare to apply my Anastasia. Anastasia. Okay, I'm saying Anastasia because y'all so bougie. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't understand why y'all say Anastasia. That was mad work on my tongue just now. Pause. But I'm gonna apply that. So I'm taking my Superstay concealer. This is a poppin' concealer. If you got bags, they're gone, okay? Your eyebrows not arched enough, you got it. It got you. Beauty blender and blend that out. I don't know what y'all girls be thinking, not to come for nobody's child, but blend it out because when y'all don't do it, it looks a mess. I'm just trying to help you help yourself. Then I'm gonna apply the concealer to my eyelid and it'll work like a eyelid primer because I'm gonna apply eyeshadow. Alright, so the base color I'm going to use is in the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And the color I'm going in with is Fulani. And it's a pretty brown color. Then I'm gonna go in with the pink color Mori. So at this point, I began switching back and forth from Bori and Zobo to create, like, I guess the perfect blend. I don't know how to describe it, but it worked itself out. I begin to go in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation. This foundation also slaps. Actually, Maybelline kind of slaps. I feel like everybody sleeps on it because it's drugstore, but it slaps. I look a freaking mess. So then I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I'm gonna just blend all that out because child. I know at this particular point, like, everything looks so crazy, but with makeup, everything looks crazy until it's finished. This is my concealer to start cleaning things up because I was looking brazy before. I'm gonna take my airspun and put that on my under eye area, my smile lines, basically all my old lady features, okay? Now, I noticed my look wasn't coming together how I needed it to, so I went into Casablanca. That's how I'm gonna pronounce it, to put in my inner corner to make it pop a little bit. Liner from Forever 21. I know what you're thinking. That is so urban, but it's good. It's good, I promise you. Look how it's applying. It speaks for itself. Period. No tampons. During this part, this is all just me trying to clean it up, trying to make sure I didn't waste no footage, because if it didn't come out right, I wasn't posting tonight, and that's where the mommy. Now, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. And this is the part where I start to wipe off the airspun. And it works itself out. I wipe it off using the Kiss Pro Powder. You can get it at the local beauty store. Everything in this video is pretty much inexpensive, so that's always a plus. I'm gonna take my Maybelline mascara to prepare myself for my lashes. So I take my Duo lash glue and I apply it to the lashes. You wait 30 seconds for them to like get tacky while you blow on them, and then you just apply them. Tissue, and you wipe off your lips. The lip combo I'm using is the NYX, I think that's Cinnamon Roll, and also NYX lip liner. And I'm apply Black Radiance highlighter in Beautiful. I don't know if this is still on shelves, but it was one of my first highlighters and it left me shining. And then I'm apply Maybelline blush and blend that out. Now I'm gonna take the brow gel and just do the finishing touches. And then I'm taking Mario Booty Hole, and I'm spraying out all of my face. Y'all get ready for this. I'm about to slap. My wig together. And yeah, nothing too special. I'm just gonna curl it a little bit, make it look nice. Yeah, I'm taking my heat protectant. I don't know who needs to hear this, but I don't care if it's not your natural hair. Put some heat protectant on it. Okay, this is me feeling myself afterwards, and I thank you guys for watching my video. If you made it all the way to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one later.